Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix warthunder error 80130182, also known as the authorization server error. Now this error usually appears when the game can't connect to the login servers or your connection is blocked. So first of all, you need to close the warthunder completely and restart the game launcher. Sometimes the launcher just fails the first time and reconnecting fixes it instantly. Next, you can check if your internet is actually working. You can restart your Wi-Fi router or switch between Wi-Fi and mobile hotspot to see if the game connects on a different network. Now make sure that your date and the time settings are automatic on your PC or the console because the wrong system time can block the authorization and stop the login process. On your PC, when you run the War Thunder launcher as administrator, for that you need to right click the launcher and choose the option of run as administrator and try logging in again. Then temporarily disable any kind of VPNs or the proxy or the DNS changer that you are using. Now these often cause the authorization server to reject the connection. Also check your firewall or the antivirus. If War Thunder is blocked, you can allow the game through or add it to the allowed list. Then you can restart your PC and try again. If you are using console, simply sign out and log into your PS and Xbox account, then restart War Thunder. In some cases, the problem is not you, the servers are overloaded or under maintenance. If nothing works and everyone is getting the same issue, wait a little while and try again later. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.